So I've had an idea for my mum's Christmas present. She is Irish. She came across on the boat when she was 3, so she's quite fond of Celtic designs. So I've printed out this tree of life, which I absolutely adore. And I've got that beautiful cheese platter thing that I bought from the op shop for $5. That was the original surface, which I'm going to sand the back when I finish, but I've just sanded the front and oh my goodness, it's so smooth and beautiful. So I'm about to trace that onto there like that so I can burn it. Don't worry about the sounds of the kitchen, that's my beautiful French man cooking dinner.
Yes, always cooking.
Anyway, so first thing I need to do is get the transfer paper, put it on there, tape that down somehow and then trace around it. It's going to be a bit of a long process, but yeah, I'll show you how I do it. Going to go over little bits with a pen and just kind of neaten it up a little bit. So just trying to make it look as neat as I possibly can, so when I'm burning it's easier. So here's the finished design. I've been neatening it up just for a little while, just to make sure that I'm not guessing when I go to do the burning. But I really love it. I think my mum will too. It's 10 at night.
Wow.
I've just woken Alex up accidentally. And I'm so dirty at myself because I made a mistake. And so I made it on both sides just to even it up. But apart from that, it's not finished because I think I can neaten it up. But so dirty about that. So moral of the story is don't get complacent because you will burn the wrong spot. Especially with Celtic designs. Okay, so I'm just going to give it a light sand, just so I can get rid of all the pen marks, and then I'm going to sand it back, and then I'll go over another time to make sure it's completely finished. So when I did the sanding, it took off a little bit more than I expected, so I'm going to be here for another couple of hours, but I'm actually not upset about that because it means that I can redo these sides and have not that black ball that I wasn't enjoying. Yeah, time to do some shading. Okay, so I finally got to the point where I'm really happy with how it's come out. It's nice and dark, and next step will be beeswaxing it. But I just wanted to let you know the texture that I ended up doing over everything after I sanded it too much was just putting dots everywhere. So it took a long time, just dot, 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 dot. But I mean, in the end, it got their desired effect because it is quite difficult to get it neat and even. But yeah, really happy now. So time to beeswax.